Thank you, thank you. It's a pleasure for me to be meeting the press at a time like this as I conclude my 3-year tour as the ambassador to Timor-Leste, Singapore. It's been my great honor and with great humility that I receive the Order of Timor-Leste, the collar from His Excellency President Ramos Horta just a short moment ago in a very dignified and ceremony that was held, attended by friends of the Foreign Service here in Timor-Leste, as well as the mission here in Singapore, as well as friends from the Singapore community representing the cross-sector of Singaporeans living and working here in Timor-Leste. In the 3 years, I have learned enormously about what this country has taught me, with humility, its patience, its understanding, its mind of forgiveness, and its patience. And I see great future for this nation, not least because of the unyielding, unwavering spirit and the checkered history that the country had to experience over the previous decades. But as a result of that, the same spirit will propel this country to achieve new heights. And Singapore is very happy that we have welcomed, alongside our other members of ASEAN, Timor-Leste as the 11th and the newest member of the family of ASEAN. And it is our desire and our hope to be offered any assistance and help that is needed so that the Timor-Leste, this government and the civil service, these other sectors will be able to acquire the necessary capabilities and capacity to absorb the necessary knowledge that is needed to be a responsible and contributing member of the ASEAN family. On this accord, the Singapore government, we have designed and embarked on the enhanced A-STAR project, which is Singapore-Timor ASEAN Readiness Support Package. And in that particular offering, a number of training programs has been incorporated alongside the Singapore Cooperation Program, where more than 1,000 officials from Timor-Leste had already participated. And we hope through those programs and learning training that is held in Singapore as well as on site here in Timor-Leste will equip and hopefully accelerate the development and the understanding of the Timorese officials in their preparation to become a full-fledged member of ASEAN, which Timor already is. And the Singapore, we very much look forward to our continued cooperation and friendship to the people of Timor-Leste. It's been my pleasure and honor that I have been restored with the responsibility of the ambassador to this nation. So thank you very much. I wish the nation every success. Thank you.